This has been a presentation of Viacom and a production of
This is Peewee Picture and a production of
Anarcha Cartoon Incorporated. A production of Ed and Eddie.
And the last production of
This is Baby Einstein, a kid company.
Get ready, get set.
For your special presentation.
Hang on, Mum, I will call the doctor. Doctor, please come to my house. She is having a heart attack. She's upstairs.
Come on, just spit it out. Calm down. You'll be okay, just spit it out.
Is she alright?
Yes, she is going to spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Hang on, Hong.
Okay, it's a ball.
What's it called?
A basketball.
Yeah, I agree.
What's going on over here?
My mommy just spit a ball out.
One, two, three, shoot.
Later that day.
Hey Karen. We won the basketball game.
Oh really? That's great news.
Enjoy Christmas.
Shut your mouth, Warren.
Okay. I love candy, 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 I love candy.
Warren, go to bed and no candy for 0 years.
No. I want more and more candy.
What time is it?
Now on with a special announcement with Kirby.
It's a wonderful, wonderful world. It's a wacky, wacky world. It's a whimsical, whimsical world. But most of all, it's a wingy, wingy world. The Wiggles, it's a wingy, wingy world. Going is coming out on Wiggles World Interactive. There's some games to play like Maze, Tic-Tac and more. And you can also watch music videos as well, including in the Wiggles world. Here come the Wiggles, in the big red car we like to ride. I love to have a dance with Dorothy. Oh no, I don't know the rest. Oh well, think on anyone.
No, wake up. The moon fell asleep. What's going on? We lost Pee-wee. Okay, 10-8-6-4-2-0.
Ready? Un, deux, trois.
Oh no, I had a nightmare.
Okay, let's go. That's the end.
Look for anything else coming out this year. Now to go wake Jeff up.